Jackson, and welcome to my channel. It's Christina Nicole Fitness, okay? I'm all about teaching you how to live an intuitive, balanced life that inspires you, okay? So, this week, we're gonna film an entire whole week vlog of me getting back on track. So, it's gonna take a full week to do all this. You're gonna see a little bit every day. So, right now, it's Monday. I think today's the 20th. Let me look on this calendar. Yeah, it's Monday the 20th. So right now, it's morning time for me. Remember, I work at nights. Think of it like that. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon or whatever. So I'm taking my vitamins to get back on track. We're doing the Equate Hair, Skin, and Nail vitamins. It says take 2, but I'm taking 3. Because I really want to grow my hair back out. It's been growing, but also it's shorter in the back and longer in the front. So the front's definitely been growing. But we're trying to get this on and popping, because I want my hair to be grown out to a certain length for a couple of years. And then I'm pulling out my vitamins for the day. And we'll go over all that too. I got a little pill case that lasts for 5 days. Let me get out my other stuff. Okay, so we're gonna be taking a shot. These are my own homemade lemon, apple cider vinegar, and ginger shots. So you can see the ginger and lemon in there. These bottles came from, my fiance got like at HEB. It's like a little shot pack. It's like, I think there's like 6 or like 9 of them. You can take one a day, and there's different kinds of shots and stuff like that. Like one's for energy and one's for, I think, like digestion, all this other stuff. So I told him, I said, save these so I can make my own shots at home. So that's what I've been doing. I had lemon, I had ginger in the fridge, and apple cider vinegar, so I just put them in here. Now, if I want, I could even throw in cayenne pepper to, you know, kickstart the metabolism. Could do that. I'm gonna take one of these, and I actually like this cold. So if you don't like yours, normally I do drink something like this warm. There's nothing wrong with that, but if you want, I've been taking this cold, and it actually tastes really good cold. Now, I got 3 collagen pills here. That's what they look like. They're kind of spotted. And I don't have the bottle anymore because I threw it away, but it is from the brand Spring Valley, which I also have a potassium pill that I'm taking as well. It's one of these little white ones. And then I have a multivitamin that I'm taking. So you saw the potassium one. This is my Equate Women's like Health, kind of like 1 a day pill. Take one of those, and this is calcium, magnesium, zinc, plus vitamin D. I'm taking that as well. Now, the collagen had, I think, vitamin C in it, like an extra boost of vitamin C, and I got that from Walmart. So all my pills and stuff like that, they came from Walmart. Come here. Come here. I love you. I love both of you. Come cheer. Y'all, this is my puppy. Yes, he's pretty much almost as tall as I am when he stands up. He's like the size of a human child. Yes. Mama loves you. For those of you that want to know my height, I'm only 5'2". Yes. You just need some love this morning. I love you. You having a good day? You just want to be in the vlog? Okay. Did you finish eating your brekkie? You want mama to get you a treat? So me and my fiance got them these. We have like one of every one that's in the brand. And they really like these. They're like little jerky pieces for dogs. They go crazy for these. Some of them smell really bad, especially the ones that are made with fish. Ooh. Sit down. Rib, why you ripping it, bruh? I'm sorry if y'all heard that. I'm not editing that. You a struggle button, huh? So yeah, let me go ahead and take my pills. And I gotta get my water in for the day. So each day I fill up one of these minimum. This is over half a gallon. This is 67 fluid ounces. I got this from Five Below. They make different colors now because when they first came out with this, it was only in black. But we're gonna fill this up, and then after that, I'm gonna portion out my water, make me a morning cup of tea, and then I gotta get into my morning meditation, which I'm trying to get this year. I'm trying to get into meditation a lot more because I've done it before, and I feel a lot better if I start my day with that, and that's more for like my spirituality and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I like to do. But I gotta go, so I'll be back. So I recently got this from Five and Below. I love Buddhas, and I couldn't pass up like this silver looking incense burner. I wish they had like maybe behind him, you know, like one for like the little stick or something like that. Or even in the little ashtray portion right here, there was like a little hole or something like that. But, you know, it is what it is. But I got this to get started in the space. And then I also have my tea, and then I have some other stuff on the floor. And I'm going to go ahead and get started into my meditation. Today I'm only meditating for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to get into the rest of my morning routine. Okay, y'all, I took a shower. I put on the same hoodie just because I have to go outside and take my dogs out, and then I'm going to take this off and just work out in the house in my sports bra and some leggings. But I'm going to have the unicorn or the rainbow unicorn BC, not BCAs, but the Bang. I love this one and the Sour Heads. I got normally, if I do get those, I'll buy like a case of them. But this one literally tastes like candy. This one is a little bit sour, but also sweet, but not too sweet because I can't stand sweet flavored stuff, like over sugary flavored type things. Trip. And sorry, my baby's over here. Gotta make sure he's okay. But no, we're gonna take this, and I need to get some ice out as well. But yeah, I can't stand overly sweet flavored things. But I like that one, and it reminds me of like, you know, the rainbow streamers. I think they're made by like the Airheads company. Come here, come see mama. I think they're made by like the Airheads company and stuff like that. But yeah, they're like kind of sour and a little bit sweet. So, because they got that sugar coating on them. But yeah, I'm about to rinse out a cup, put some ice and this in there, and then go walk my babies. And then by the time this vlog comes out, y'all should have already seen a couple vlogs. The DIY home gym. If you have any questions about pricing and how much this all costs, I'll probably talk about that in the video, but just because this is all like, you know, further future vlogging and stuff like that, but I've already filmed all that. Look at him, he being neat. I love you. Can you stop? Like, why you farting so much? I know you gotta go, but dang, you ain't gotta do all that. Is that your food from this morning? Okay, so I went and walked the dogs, and now I'm drinking. This is the Rainbow Unicorn Bang energy drink. Okay, so drinking that, and I'm about to do some stretching on the mat over here in the little home gym. After I'm done stretching, I'm gonna go put on a sweat belt, and so we can go ahead and get into it. Yep. I gotta take the trash out, no judge. Okay, I'm a real person, y'all. Okay, I'm real as fuck. Okay, so if you see something in the background that you don't like or you think is dirty, I'm sorry, but I'm real. Okay, and I'm just like everybody else. You know, I be trying to get my house together. You know, and then sometimes it's together, and then sometimes it's not. Ain't that right? That's what I'm talking about. You gotta tell these people, Trip. We just real out here. But oh, I need to get y'all lunch too. But so yeah. We're gonna do some stretching now, put on the sweat belt, and then go ahead and get into it. Today is a leg day. Okay, so today is a leg day. Now, what that means is I'm doing legs and abs. So 3 days out of the week, my goal is to do strength training right now. And on those days, I do not do any cardio or nothing like that. It would just be all strength training. And then 2 days out of the week, I want to do yoga and some cardio. And my goal is to get back into running because I actually used to be into running. You know, a couple years ago, I used to really be into running a lot. And then even after that, I've always tried to get back into it. So my goal will be to run a mile. So I need to download a app that tracks my miles or whatever. Because I like to see how many calories I'm burning, how long it's taking me to run a mile, and my stride. My biggest thing is I like to see, and I'll challenge myself. So I'm very competitive with myself, especially for running. Like with other stuff, I'm not. But for running, I am. So if I can start getting faster in my running and stuff like that, I'll feel really good about it. So yeah, but I got my little fitness planner and my little thing. So it has all my workouts for today, what I'm gonna be doing, and then you can see the week at a glance. This is my whole workout. I know you can't really see my handwriting. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, we gonna get into it. And now that I have a home gym and I don't have an actual gym to go to anymore since we canceled those memberships because we're trying to save the coins, and invest it somewhere else. Now I can actually record my videos without feeling any type of way. And it's not that I felt like subconscious. It's just when you're trying to record, sometimes it's a lot in a gym, even in a private like kind of gym and stuff like that. It's a little bit hard to do. And I've done some recordings and stuff like that, but I always had to isolate myself into the studio when I was recording her stuff on Instagram. So if you do check out my Instagram, you will see some videos. I think I have some workout videos on the highlight section. It says workouts. And then I also have, I think, a few on my page. Trip. Hey, man, leave that stuff alone. But, yeah. So you guys can go check out some of those. And then I also have some workouts that I typed up in my notes section. And I like to post those too. But today we're going to get into legs and abs. And then I'm done because I got to get into shower, dress for work, and then work mode here at the house. Okay, y'all. This is where we're starting. I had to pull this up because I'm about to put on some gel and then use my sweat belt. But I'm currently 152.6 pounds. My body fat percentage is like 39 point something. So it's a little high. And I'm only 5'2", but this is where we're starting at in 2020. If you check out my Instagram, you'll see my before and after. But I'm ready to get back into it and just start getting more toned and defined. That's really my goal. It's not so much the scale because I feel confident in my body. Yes, I want to be a little bit more toned. But towards the end of the year, I got like really sick for a month. And I end up losing a lot of my progress right here because I was actually a lot more flat. But I'm not worried about it. You know, sometimes your health sucks and suffers and you end up putting on some weight or you end up losing weight or whatever. But at the end of the day, as long as I'm healthy, that's all that matters because I can always, you know, work off the weight. So this is just, like I said, where we're starting at. And it's not bad. You know, it's a work in progress. I didn't put all my weight back on or anything like that I've lost. But yeah, let's put on the sweat belt. Let's get into it. I already did all my stretching. Had my pre-workout, the Bang Energy drink. And let's do this. Okay, I just got done working out. It was a good leg and ab day. Whew. I was even talking to my mom while I was working out. On the phone. My mama don't live nowhere near me, y'all. Okay. So, checking off everything I did for my legs and abs. So we did all that. I said it's over an hour just because my mom wanted to talk about something else. But regardless, we got it done. I gotta go shower and get ready to work. I'm also gonna have some BCAAs. This is a new brand that me and my fiance are trying. They extend the original BCAAs. It's muscle recovery and electrolytes. This is in rainbow sherbet. So I'm about to make this real quick. don't know if y'all can see that. I think it's because I don't have white lighting on. But yeah, I'm gonna open this up, smell it, taste it. Mix it up in a little shaker. Put some ice and drink that just because I did weight train. So I always have some BCAAs when I weight train, especially afterwards. Now the cool thing about the Bang is the Bang has pretty much everything you need. It's got the creatine, which is used for building muscle, Ultra CoQ10, which is used for helping your body turn fat into fuel, and the BCAAs aminos are branched chain amino acids, which they're the building blocks of protein, which you need protein to help with the body for recovery, any rips and tears, microscopic fibroid rips and tears. Let's not get into the side effect. But anyways, all the little tears you do when you work out, because you do create itty bitty tiny little tears in the body anytime you lift weights or do something strenuous. Okay, so I gotta do this, make this. Oh, there's all glutamine in here. Gee. This smells really sweet. It's weird. So hopefully this doesn't smell. It smells like a sweet dessert. Literally like this. I'm hoping it's not like sweet. I'm hoping it's like sweet and sour. The powder, it looks white with a hint of a light pinkish coating, like an extremely light. You wouldn't be able to recognize it unless you're in person. Ooh. But yeah, like you would have to see it in person. It's not something I could probably show on camera, even if I put on white lighting in the kitchen. Yeah. I'm almost done with my first half gallon for the day. After that, probably after I get out of the shower, I'm gonna have some green juice. So I'm gonna have some green juice, and then just a cup of green juice. Nothing special, nothing fancy. And then I need to make me something to eat before work, because I want to have my second meal at work. I don't want to just be eating one meal a day. I don't like that. I like to eat. So yeah. Okay, I washed a couple of dishes. Sorry. I got my juice right here. Finished my half a gallon for the day and then refilled it back up. So this is where we're at right now. So I have another half one to drink, and I'll drink that at work. It's not a rush. And then got some ice cubes in here and a little shaker. And I'm going to do 1 scoop. Put that in here. There's no water in here yet. And then put this back into the closet. And then I'm going to be using this because sometimes I have a hard time getting my water in. So as long as anything I use water for, so I'm trying to pull it from here, like teas, lemon water, whatever. I'm doing, it's about 6 ounces. I don't want to do too much water. So. It looks pink. Okay. I can't really show you what it looks like because it's in a pink cup, but in the light it looks pink. Okay, so shower time. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for afterwards. That way I can drink it and get my lunch together.